Good afternoon, everyone. It's Matthew at MSL Trade on Twitter, MSL TRDE. It is Tuesday, September 2015. Let's look at the market. I think the market got whacked today. I wasn't looking at this because I was focused on the price action of the stocks that were under accumulation. But anyway, SPY down a percent and some more. Qs, I bet the same in diamonds as well. So where was the money? VBLT. Um, Opening range breakout. We wait. We give it 15, 20, 30 minutes for that high. That high occurred at 9:35, sold off, pushed above, high volume. We'd like to see that pull back an exponential moving average, up 3, 4, 5%. Okay, and we'll get to the 5 minute chart after we roll through. It was under accumulation, and you sell it into strength. I bet none of you listening to this have a problem with selling into strength. DUST. A lot of the bearish ETNs, ETFs were moving in the upward direction. How did I know? Because they all broke out at the same time. We'll get to the UVIXY, the junior miners, JDST, TZA, FAZ, and the short on oil. So anyway, DUST, opening range breakout when? 10:20. It's intuitively obvious to anyone with eyesight. It starts trading above its opening, print through here. Pulls back an exponential moving average, gives us 2-3%. I don't care if you sell it up a percent, 2%, 3%. At least you're leaning, quote, leaning in the right direction. WFT, opening range breakout. Tried to do it there. Significant level, failed it there. Does it again. Ends flat for the day. We'll get to that on the 5 minute chart. UVIXY, we talked about this. Leaning in the upward direction. JDST, same as dust, moves with dust, same thing. CANF, pushes above the opening range when? Look at the box. 11:34. I'll hold it for a couple more seconds so you can see the time on it. Pull back into the exponential 8 period moving average. A push up, a quick 4 or 5%. Sell it. You did nothing for it. We're realizing a gain almost immediately. Let us close the position and move on. NYMX, same thing. Opening range breakout 11:30. Pull back into the exponential 8 period moving average, 1 to 1 minute chart. It's the same pattern, but a different stock. And this is the same thing every day. If you like what you see and see what you like, make sure you follow me on Twitter. I'll review the market every day because it's the same thing, only it's a different ticker every day. Up 2%, 1, 2, 3%, upward direction. NYMX. AMPE. Pull back right here. Pushed above it. We waited, we waited, we waited. Finally got it. And guess what? It didn't move in the direction that we, quote, wanted. So this is one of those that, 1 out of 10, 2 out of 10 doesn't work. TZA. But I bet you this was the initiation of a move. On a weekday, this stock was up, guys. Okay? Right off the bell, this was up 18%, 20%. This will be higher in the coming days. Note it, write it down, follow it. I'll cover it Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. TZA, same as these shorts. I don't trade a lot of these, but I have been noting that it was printing above the opening rotation. JACK, they had a buyback yesterday evening. Okay, slow mover up 1-2%. ONVO. Again, opening range breakout when? Look at the top of my box. 1047. Pull back in the exponential moving average, up 1.5%. We'll review this at the 5 minute chart. FAZ, same thing, doesn't get old. Same pattern on all these shorts. SDTS and China Mobile, flat for the day. Opening range breakout almost immediately within the first, half hour trade. Sold off, you held it, you're down 0.24%. It's better than getting, whacked like the SPY today. Let's move to the 5 minute chart and review some items real quick. Again, this is 5 minute. Let's zoom in. Okay, what do we do? On the sell-off of a stock that printed above the opening rotation, it leans back into we wait for the 50 exponential moving average. We're on the 5 minute chart again, guys. And we wait for two consecutive green close. The second one's got to close above the first one. And we pull back into the weakness. We buy it. It prints 11%. It did it on a bunch of these today. This is professional trading 101, and I'm not the only one doing this. How do I know? Because the market, the stock is moving in the upward direction after we're noting this rule. So I'm not the only one that knows this. I merely observe it. WVFT, uh, two consecutive green candles here. Did it happen here after it passed down the 50 exponential moving average on a 5 minute chart? No. Did it happen here? No. It happened here, okay? And then it's a push back up to the opening range. This is a very, high probability trade, the opening range. It'll close at where the opening range was, above it. Rarely will it close below it. But guess what? CNF, we closed the position. It was up 5%. It did it again. Excuse me. On the 5 minute chart, okay? And it didn't work out for us. But this had been a winner. What day is this? Friday for us, okay? And then look, 3 day rule. Smart guys make the move. We noted it there. How do we know? Because we have a green arrow where we bought it. Second day, semi-smart money noticed this move, go in and buy it. Third day of the move, all the dumb money come in, they buy it, they get crushed. But anyway, this stock's starting to ramp up again, so have it on your cheat sheet. And I'm flipping through the 5 minute candles here, looking for another dynamic. We had it here. I didn't see that, but pull back in the exponential 50 period moving average on a 5 minute chart and a push upwards. ONVO, it could have happened. You can see it in here, but I didn't trade it. SDS CHL, no. Okay, anyway, guys, if you like what you see what you like, follow me on Twitter, MSL at TRADE. That's MSL Trade on Twitter, at MSL Trade. Again, this is Matthew, and I will see you tomorrow. Good luck.